Hold me till I scream for every, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
Welcome to my channel, babes. So today we're doing something different. We are doing a nail tutorial on our 9 dominant hand. We got a few tricks up our sleeve, okay, to make it easier on us for the DIY girls, because I'm a DIY girl. I'm gonna do it on my own before I go pay $50, okay, and I can get 10 sets out of my $50. So yeah, so right here, you know the basics. We just matching up our fingertips with our nail tips to see what is wet and wet and wet and wet and wet and wet. Okay, so now y'all, we just gonna clip our nail tips to the size we want them. We are not about to glue them on. We are about to file them and put the actual acrylic on there before we even glue the nail on, so it can help us when we are actually applying the acrylic, because it is hard for us to apply the acrylic on with our 9 dominant hand, on our dominant hand. So that's why we're doing all of this before the nail gets on our actual nail tip, because we have more, what's it called? We have more leeway-ish. No, we have more control over what's going on the nail, as if it was already on our dominant hand and we try to do it with our 9 dominant hand. It would be too much out of control. So yeah, that's what we're doing. We're trying to avoid all of that. It's about to get serious. Now we filing our actual dominant hand nail. Our dominant hand. We about to put these girls on, okay? So you just filing down your fingernails so that glue and the acrylic can actually sink in and soak in your nails. That we got all of that out the way, we about to go ahead and apply this acrylic just on the tip, and we are gonna let the tip sit there and dry, and then we're gonna apply it to our fingernails. Okay, do you get me? Do you get me? Are you getting me? Are you understanding me? Yeah, it's just so much easier doing it with your dominant hand. Like, you know, you got this. Like, ain't no bumps in a road, or more bumps in the road that need be. But you see, like, it's just coming naturally. Like, I really does this on the daily, and I don't. So that's why we doing it this way and this method. Like, I'm more freely with my right hand. I can do more. It's just everything. Okay, if you know, you know. All that hard work, we about to glue it on our dominant hand. Glue it on your dominant hand. I'm gonna take this primer kit and go ahead and put it on our base of our nail before we apply the acrylic to our actual fingernails. I know y'all see how I'm holding this brush like I don't know what I'm doing, and this is exactly why we did this kind of method, because it just looked like it was gonna go left from the get-go. Like, why am I holding the brush like that? Girl. Oh, didn't even put enough monomer on there. Fell right off.
Baby, over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby,
Then y'all had to file these to death because these are curled and I did not read when I ordered them off Amazon. So now I'm struggling and I don't like the way they're shaped. So I tried my best and yeah.
Hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, baby. And reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I want up the lane in your deep, baby, baby. Then dip me underway. You can feel my voice, low. Hold me till I scream. Then dip me underway. You can feel my voice, low. Hold me till I scream. And wash me over until